Is this the cutest animal ever? This fox is tagging along through this man's morning hike. He encounters the fox multiple times while walking through his path. The fox came up. He thought that was the last he'd see him.
It's right here.
What does he want? Snacks.
Whoa!
Yet again the fox returns.
It's right here.
He wants what's in the bag. A beautiful red fox. He was very nice. Would you let a fox get this close? See you later, fox. Make sure to like, share, comment, and subscribe for more crazy animal moments.
Whoa.